The biggest roadblock to make sure that meeting rooms are equipped with video has been the lack of elegant solutions.
The partnership with Neat can truly fulfill our dream to deliver the best video conferencing service.
The foundation for our collaboration is that we share the same values, the same dreams and passions.
Both Neat and Zoom are two companies with teams who've been there, who've done that and have a lot of experience, know exactly what is the problem and how to solve it.
The partnership between Zoom and Neat is really unique in the industry, where we're bringing together the best of the hardware industry with the best in the software and services industry.
Together, build one solution, that experience will be unprecedented.
Neat is unique because of the elegance that we bring to the meeting room and because of the elegance we bring into the user experience.
We want anybody to be able to buy video systems easily and just be up and running with a remarkable user experience.
What they're looking for is equipment that's easy to purchase, easy to install, and easy to manage.
And it's the best integration with Zoom Rooms.
I think Neat and Zoom can provide this remarkable, delightful experience to customers in the meeting room. And we're just getting started.
I truly believe in the future, every customer would say, yes, this is the solution we're looking for many years. Finally, we get it.